On the front panel of the HS3200, there are two shortcut keys allowing you to add logos to your program video. Enter the main menu, then go to File menu. Move the File Type option and select Logo. Move to Load Logo option, then select your preferred logo. Assign it to either the Logo 1 or Logo 2 button. You can also use the datavideo switcher image import-export software to import logos to the HS3200. Remember to select Load. Press the Logo 1 or Logo 2 button on the keyboard to load the selected logo onto the screen. Adjust the logo position, which will automatically be remembered by your system. You can also load two logos at the same time. You will then be able to load logos on the program screen by pressing the keyboard's Logo 1 or Logo 2 button.